What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. Welcome to new channel, Model Trains Automation. I have few videos about that subject on main DCC Train channel, but I don't want to put any videos like how to do it, how to set up complicated stuff. Yeah, AK and complicated, or AK and easy. That's kind of funny. Yeah, it will be easy here. That's the reason. But we are here. But over there, it can be complicated for guys just starting with model trains. So here we go. My system is Z21 in the black body. We can do different reviews and iTrain. And that's the video today, how to hook it up. I'm building layout in the N scale and my dream layout N scale for testing. Everything with iTrain and block detection based on Bob Fuller tutorials on YouTube. Links, I'll provide all links. So here we go. Let's get started. Hook it up. It's not big deal. But some guys recommending I'm hooking up wirelessly. Some guys recommending to change IP and getting very complicated path. Shouldn't do it. So if you're going to z21.eu, Z21 system, so that's the system, and out of the box, what you have here, power supply provided. You make small track, short track, long track, or I won't recommend to do it on layout, just like small test stand kind of. Main track output, programming track output, ignore all that stuff, and the Ethernet cable to your router. So my setup is I have two routers. One router dedicated for model trains, but it's connects to another router from internet service provider. We have fiber optic Cincinnati Bell. So I have both internet on both routers. You can use your router from the box. It's like nice, very nice router, also connected to the internet. That's the reason I just want to separate somebody going to my router properties, because it's all password protected for the model trains. Or it just sits next to layout, not far. Everything in my basement. So here we go. LAN port. All right. First you need to do based on Windows computer. I tried to do it boot camp on Mac. For some reason I'm not happy with this. Just dedicated Windows machine with Windows 11 right now. So you're going to do first install maintenance tool, download, unzip, and install. Then you do the same with iTrain. They have trial version. That's what you're using. All right. And when you're starting Z21 maintenance tool, because my computer right now connects to that router and input, actually Ethernet port on both connected. All right, so wireless router. And if I'm not changing IP, that's what I'm saying. Yes, so IP stays, and by default, I just connect it. Bingo. So it turns to the image to this, and blue kind of indicator here. So I got the power. All right. So right now I cut the power. It depends how you set up. Don't worry about it. Yeah. It can be stop, just like cutting digital signal, or cutting the power completely. In this case is cutting digital system. So everything will stop, but the power will be on. All right. You can go and be familiar with all these stuff later. And if you have older software, good time to update, firmware of that station. Okay, I have the latest. So status here, something system, yes, voltage and firmware version 143, I believe, yes. And the tool is, they didn't do update recently, but that's what it is, 118.1. Okay, so we're good. Then you download trial for the iTrain, and you will start iTrain, because I already started to save your time. This is my diagram, which is the video in the link to main DCC train channel. And what you need to do, go to, just forgive me, I'm not doing it every day, control, I believe it's interfaces, here we go. Yeah, it's a lot. So you're putting new interface, name it, description, whatever you like. In general, I don't think so. It's yeah, you can set up actually default protocol, because it has Motorola as well. I'm in DCC most of the time, and you put your IP address of command station from that Z21 tool right here. Status or disconnect. Yeah, if I'm disconnect, that's my IP address. Okay, so putting it here. That the port is default, and I set this up a while ago. So far so good. Then you just hit connect button. Even my I connect that maintenance tool is on, so it's talking to the system, and iTrain is talking to it. See, this is your goal, to get that green. If I disconnect, that thing will disappear. Connect, and last stage on iTrain, it was on. Here it was, now I'm putting it on. It was cut the DCC signal. So disconnect, it's flashing, now it's on, and connect. That's the goal. The same setting, same indicator on the setting right here, Z21 on, connected, everything's cool. If I stop it, both, this turns red and that thing flashing, which is cutting the signal. I hope it's not complicated. My suggestion to start working on iTrain as soon as possible. When you working on layout and you're familiar with iTrain and you're testing everything right now, if you hook it up everything and start working on iTrain after that, that can be a lot of problems. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye-bye.